In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you can create a revenue model that's more accurate and live against your CRM data. We'll show you how you can save your sales reps hundreds of hours of time. And finally, we'll show you how anyone using Salesforce can get in-depth visibility into customer health. My name is Oscar Bashaw, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you what Sigma can do for your sales team. Imagine you're a sales leader who's been tasked with increasing revenue by 15% next year. You want to hire reps to accomplish this, but you have no idea how many or where to put them. In the past, you might try to answer that question iteratively. You'd ask an analyst for rep productivity by business segment, wait a few days for an answer, then ask to see it broken down by region as well. Wait again, then ask to see the same breakdown of NDR. This workflow is broken. You spend weeks waiting for partial answers with no visibility into the deals driving these numbers. This Sigma pivot table is built on cloud CRM data, so it's easy to answer follow-up questions. To break down productivity by region, simply add region to the pivot. The Pac Northwest enterprise looks healthy, but productivity doesn't tell the whole story. Quickly add NDR to the table by defining a new formula, just like you would in a spreadsheet. The most recent quarter has a suspiciously high value of 200%. You can investigate that value by showing the underlying data, then finding an outlier that will skew your analysis and excluding it. Based on these numbers, you think you can add 10 reps to the Pac Northwest, but how close will that get you to your 15% growth target? You can use Sigma to do scenario modeling as well. Selecting Pac Northwest Enterprise and inputting 10 reps to add, you can see the impact on revenue. Sales teams often hold internal performance reviews, where sales reps present their previous and projected performance. Usually, that means reps have to dig through the CRM or bug the ops team to find the right metrics, then spend time building a slide deck. This is painful. If you have 100 reps spending 4 hours building decks each quarter, they're wasting 1,600 hours of time. With Sigma, building a deck looks like this. The ops team can build a single workbook that's accurate and standardized, then filtered by salesperson. The workbook can function as a presentation for each rep. This saves reps time, letting them focus on selling. Sigma can also give your sales and customer success teams actionable insights for their accounts. There are plenty of CS platforms that integrate with other tools and suggest actions to take with a given customer. But for companies with custom applications, these platforms might not use your app's data to make recommendations on upsell and churn. Sigma has the ability to combine multiple data sources in a single analysis. This might mean linking Salesforce data with NPS reviews and product usage data to create a numeric customer health score. That score can be displayed on a dashboard and embedded into your CRM, where the folks who need it, like AEs and sales leaders, can use it to drive revenue. Today we saw 3 use cases where Sigma can improve upon the status quo. Sigma can make the revenue planning process faster and more accurate. It can save sales reps from wasting time building slide decks, and it can synthesize all of your customer data for better upsell and churn recommendations.